Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your header transparent in Shopify. This is a great way to create a sleek, modern look for your storefront, allowing your hero images or homepage content to shine through the header area. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you directly into your store's admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your Shopify admin. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see a vertical navigation menu with various options. From this menu, click on Online Store. This section is where you'll be able to customize the look and feel of your storefront. Once the online store page loads, you'll see several options appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on Edit Theme. This will open up the theme editor, which is the tool you'll use to make visual changes to your store's design. Now, you're in the theme customization interface. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice all the different sections that make up your store's layout. These sections represent different parts of your homepage and other pages. Look through these sections and click on the header section. This is the area at the top of your site that typically contains your logo, navigation menu, and other key elements. Once you've selected the header section, shift your focus to the right side of the screen. This is where all the customization options for the header will appear. Scroll through these settings until you find an option labeled Homepage Transparent Background. This is the setting that controls whether your header appears solid or transparent on your homepage. Toggle this option on when enabled. This feature will make your header transparent, allowing the background content to show through and creating that seamless professional appearance. Finally, make sure to click Save at the top of the page. This step is crucial because it locks in all the changes you've just made. Without saving, your modifications won't be applied to your live store. And there you have it, you've successfully made your header transparent in Shopify, giving your store a more polished and visually appealing design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.